Now for this question, it didn't give me an A. They asked for the general derivative, not at a specific point. Using limits, of course, definition. So the limit definition says that limit as h approaches to 0 of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now again, we have three parts: fx plus h and f of x and h. H is just simply an h, but for fx plus h, it means that we have to substitute x plus h into f of x. What that means is whenever I see an x in f of x, any x in f of x, I'll substitute instead of it x plus h. So I have an x here, so I'm going to substitute x plus h, then plus 2, plus 2. So this is fx plus h. And the second part, which is f of x, which is simply f of x. Simply f of x. Okay, so x plus 2. Now let's substitute these pieces into the equation, or not equation, expression, I don't know, into the limit problem. So f of x plus h is this expression, x plus h plus 2, minus f of x is radical x plus 2 all over h. Now we have two radicals subtract from each other, so I'm going to multiply by the conjugate, x plus h plus 2, switch the sign because it was minus, x plus 2, x plus h plus 2 plus x plus 2. Now limit as h approaches to 0. When you multiply by the conjugate, you will get this form, which is a squared minus b squared. Where is a and where is b? This is a and this is b. So now I'll square a and b, x plus h plus 2 square. The square will remove the, or will cancel the radical. So I'm left with x plus h plus 2. X plus h plus 2. Now for b, I'm going to square it as well. X plus 2. Again, the square will cancel the square root, so I'm left with x plus 2. Now I have a negative here. You see, I have a negative. So minus the b square, which is x plus 2. Be careful. Okay. For the denominator, I won't touch it. Just write it as it is. So x plus h plus 2 plus x plus 2. Now distribute the negative. Limit as h approaches to 0. Sorry. X plus h plus 2 minus x plus minus 2 over h times x plus h plus 2 plus radical x plus 2. Now let's cancel stuff if we have similarities. So plus 2 and negative 2 will cancel. X and negative x will cancel also. And we have an h in the numerator and an h in the denominator. So they will cancel. And I'm left with limit as h approaches to 0 of 1 in the numerator. And the denominator, x plus h plus 2 plus x plus 2. Okay. Now, go ahead and substitute the 0 instead of h. So 1 over x plus 2, because h is 0, x plus 0 plus 2 is x plus 2, plus x plus 2. Now I have two radicals, two of the same kind, like x plus 2, x plus 2. So if you have one apple and one apple, they are two apples. So similar here, two of the radicals. So 1 over 2 times x plus 2, radical x plus 2. So this is the final answer of this question, part B. Okay.